plan ahead, and edging's a bit weird as well. We'll see. We're trying to keep very conservative lines, I think. Oh yeah, it should be. I mean, I'd say, I'll use my power horse, I'll just steer. In case of support struggle needed. Doing a slight rudder just to keep us straight, because the wind's affecting us a little bit. So the wind and the current can affect the boat, and when we go from the fast water into the slow water, that's where we're crossing the eddy line. That's where we have to be careful. But I'd say I'll control that. So you'll feel me lean the boat maybe further than you're used to, but it's the right thing to do. So just you relax. I'll warn you before I'm going to do it, but it's I have to remember that you're not maybe as used to it as I am. This guy could go for a swim. He's trying lots of things, but he's not experienced. Well done. So Roddy's the best. He got in the tightest. What they're trying to do is break into the eddy, so cross the current into the slow water. But Roddy did it right up at the top, so and Les has left it too low down. So this is happening, subtle things we can tell, and it's things we practice all the time. So that was better. So they're using the waves to keep the boat front up, and using the water to cover current. Yep. Okay. Just relax, let the boat move about like that. It's perfect. The more relaxed you are, the better things go. Like we'll end up going over to where the other white canoe is, but we're going to do it by going further down in the calmer water first. That's okay, we're relaxing. We're going to lean away from the current now. And now we're going across the current. Okay, just lean down straight. Okay, no problem. So we're into the slower current now. Jill, how you doing? Jill, the trick is to relax. If you can relax and let the boat move around, you'll be fine. But don't be rigid in the boat. Yeah, usually, because that's where it's deeper. But there are sometimes exceptions, but normally it's deeper on the outside and the current's faster. So you can see here on our right, it's shallow. You can see rocks coming off the bank. And on the outside, that's where the current is, so it's definitely going to be deeper on the outside of the bend. But sometimes if there's hard rocks or something, that rule changes, but as a general rule, it's true. Right, we're just going to come away a little bit. So you'll feel the boat going up and down with these waves because it's a long boat. So just relax, let the waves do their thing. So we're just going to scoot out a little bit because there's shallow rocks there with the white water. And then Anna, right. Okay, so we're going to give ourselves a bit of room. We'll stay about a third off the left bank. Oh, when I say left and right, we always talk about it as we look down the river, left and right. Okay, now we're going to come to the right slightly. Hard to see with the sun. do its thing. Just relax. Feel the waves. It's okay. Feel them. Feel them. That's it. No problem. Just relax. We'll go past. Just relax. That's the main thing. Relax. Okay, so look ahead. Just sometimes we look at the bottom and work our way back up to the top. You know, that sort of thing to see where you want to go. You can see the current's fastest on the left bank, so we'll just stay out. We'll stay out a little bit from that. And you can see all the erosion on the left bank. This is a clue. Yeah. So it's there's an eddy there, so you could still go into the side, but it's just knowing where the fast and slow water is. The more you know that, the easier it is to understand the river. Okay. Alright, so we're going to just give ourselves some room down in the middle. As we go down, we're going to work our way right to avoid the strongest current. Okay, happy people? Good.